Hi guys, you see these beautiful White and Bright series paintings behind me? I love them. Today we're gonna do the 7th one and we're missing some blues in here. So let's make a White and Bright series painting number 7 in blue. Alright guys, we're starting with the base of white. There are a lot of air bubbles. I'm gonna start with the cobalt blue color that Molly gave me. The Rinske blue. Just a touch of yellow. Pour some white around this. Blow it over the colors. Okay, like this part. Yeah, I like this part, not so much this part, and that's also because of the yellow that's in there. Okay guys, I'm so happy I started this series. This one is gonna look so pretty with the other ones. Still 2 to go for the full 9 piece, so stay tuned to see them all and the total overview. Thanks for watching and see you next time.